Want to know how to hide Reels option on Facebook? Hiding Reel is a part of curating a more focused and clutter-free experience by minimizing unwanted features. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide Reels option on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings and privacy option. Again tap on the settings option. Here scroll down to the preference section and tap on the tab bar. Likewise, tap on the customize the bar option at the top. Under the available shortcuts, tap on the down arrow button right beside the video option. Here, a menu will appear. Tap on the hide option at the bottom. So this is how to hide Reels option on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.